Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang response ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez doon sa remarks ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. na kung i-rule in favor ng Supreme Court, yung i-declare ng Supreme Court na unconstitutional ang 2025 budget. Ang sagot ng Pangulo is, we will shut down the government. We will shut down everything. I guess that's what they want. They want the government to cease working. So, matuloy yung kanilang mga destabilisasyon na ginagawa. So, indirectly, pinaparatangan ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. sina Attorney Vic, Congressman Ungab, dating Pangulong Duterte, na they are destabilizing the government. Kaya kung manalo ang petisyon na ifinail sa Korte Suprema, walang plan B ang Pangulo, i-shut down niya na ang gobyerno. The government will stop its operation. So, sinong kawawa? Di taong bayan. Okay, so ito yung official response ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez sa kanyang Facebook page. Sabi niya, on Marcos Jr.'s contingency, if the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the challenge against the national budget. So ito na yung dapat, ito yung suggestion ni Attorney Vic. The government shall operate on a enacted budget. Should the court issue a restraining order and will never shut down. Imposible talagang, ano bang matawag mo doon? Yung defeatist. Surrender na eh. Wala nang magagawa eh. Kaya nga, kung mag-shut down ang gobyerno, di anong mangyari sa Pilipinas? Magkagulo, magkabuhol-buhol. So, tama ba yun na i-shut down ng gobyerno? So, ito, kay Attorney Vic, the government will never shut down. Mangyari lang is, reenacted budget. Kung ano yung budget ng 2024, yun lang din. Ano lang yun? Ito, sabi ni Attorney Vic, we filed our petition to the Supreme Court to protect public funds from being disbursed illegally, prevent wastage of public money and people's money being deflected to any improper use. The case lodged before the Supreme Court is a testament of our adherence to the rule of law and respect to the Constitution as the supreme law to which all other laws must conform. All private rights are defined and all public authority administered. Yan, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, 2025 senatorial aspirant. So, paratang, destabilizing move yung pag-file ng petition sa Supreme Court. Anong masasabi niyo? Sabi naman ni Attorney Vic, ginawa nila yon para to protect public funds. So, paano maging destabilization yun? Yung sumusunod ka sa batas. Nag-file ka ng petisyon, ang Korte Suprema na ang magdesisyon kung i-declare niyang unconstitutional o hindi. Paano maging destabilization yun? So, kayo, anong masasabi nyo? Matatawag bang destabilization itong ginawa ni na Attorney Vic, Congressman Ungab at PRRD? Magbasa lang tayo sa mga comments. Ito, yung mga comments doon sa pahayag ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. Lisa Berbo, sabi niya, yes, weak leader Marcos resign. Nix Toralba, The government will not shut down, but the 2024 budget will be reenacted until such time Congress passes the 2025 GAA ng walang issues. Sino po nag-advise sa inyo na mag-shut down ang government? Unless that's what you want. Whence King Baguio, tama si Duterte, Marcos is weak leader. Raden Milievo, ang OA, overacting, ang OA naman ng shutdown, Mr. President. According to presidents, a reenacted budget will be implemented in the event of Supreme Court rules the GAA as unconstitutional. Di ba napakasimple lang naman? Reenacted budget? Bakit napunta sa government shutdown? Arcangel Alcoy, sabi niya, President Marcos' statement reveals a high-stakes situation regarding the 2025 budget in the Philippines. The lack of a contingency plan and accusations of political motives highlight the potential for significant disruption and political turmoil if the Supreme Court rules against the budget. So, parang magkakagulo. I don't know. RJ Ignacio, he is truly a weak leader. Congress lang di niya kaya. Kaya nga sabi ni ex-Senator Drilon, the President should exert control of the budget process. Kasi in my 24 years being in the Senate, this is the most corrupt budget that I have ever seen. The budget was mangled. Yung National Expenditure Program envisioned by the executive branch, hindi mo na makita. Chinap-chap nila. Okay? So, sana sana ang Supreme Court aksyonan na ito kaagad at kung ano ang desisyon ng Supreme Court, dapat both parties, kahit tayo, tanggapin kung anong desisyon ng Supreme Court. Ako, mataas pa rin ang tiwala ko sa Supreme Court. Basta aksyonan lang. Huwag lang, pabayaan lang na walang aksyon, nakatiwangwang matapos ang 2025, maraming aksyon. Wala, yan. Anyway, gusto ko kayong pasalamatan sa panunood nyo sa ating channel. Nakakatulong po tayo sa mga Talandig tribe. At kagabi, binisita ko yung mga tribo, yung mga bahay nila na bibigyan natin sila ng yero at pako para makapatayo ng bagong bahay or maka-repair sa mga sira-sirang bahay. Nagdala tayo ng blanket, ukay-ukay blanket kasi napakalamig ang lugar. Panoorin